Hey there, traders. Let's make today's cherry bomb nice and fast. It's August 31st, 2021. We're looking at Facebook. Of course, Facebook, highly liquid. Although today's cherry bomb, which of course comes from Tasty Trade, is going to be in the weeklies. So we're going to have a slight alternative, not much of a crazy modification, but we'll take a look at it. It has an IV rank of 9, of course a liquidity rank of 4 out of 4, and because of that, we're going to be looking at a debit spread, so a long put vertical. I like long put verticals much better than long call verticals. How about you? Well, let's see how you feel about it, because we're going to take a look right now. All right, everybody, on screen here, you can see that we're in Thinkorswim, where we're supposed to be. I'm not sure why it's showing my whole desktop. Let's see if I switch. Nope. Okay. That's supposed to be showing Thinkorswim just the, oh, that's weird. How about that? Oh, anyway, I intended for this to be fast, so let's move on. Sorry, it's not as zoomed in as it normally is. I have no idea why, but here we go. All right, so on screen here, we've got the chart pulled up for Facebook real fast. You can see we've crashed through that upper band right here. And let's take a quick look at that. So we crashed through that upper band. I would expect some contrarian. Last time we crashed through the upper band, we had some contrarian as well, but granted, that was also when earnings hit. So let's go back to auto zoom. Is there any other evidence that hitting the upper band, we then see a down movement? Yes, we do. Upper band, down movement. So yeah, I feel pretty confident that maybe in the next 38 to 45 days, depending on which expiration you choose, this could be something we see happen for us, work out for us. So let's go to the ad simulated trade and take a look. The trade from Tasty Trade is in the October weeklies, and here's why I think we want to consider the monthlies. So if you follow the trade, you get them from Tasty Trade. Over here at 385, you're buying that put, and then you're selling the 375. Okay, so the reason is, take a look at the open interest in 385. Zero. Zero people have found it worthwhile to buy that put, or to sell that, to get this contract, if you would, right? So, but we have 253, which is a nice number here at 375. Let's compare that to the liquidity that we see in the monthlies. Right after we take a look at the risk profile for this trade, set the date in the top right corner to October 9th, and then set our price slices to break even. And here we are. We're looking at a 49, let's call it 50% probability of ending up in profit land, or winning or losing 50-50, right? So 50% probability of us ending up in profit land. That sounds nice, I guess. All right. So you're risking 470. You could make 530. Right. We'd be looking to collect half of that. That'd be nice. And then get out. But let's compare this 50-50 to what we see here if we just change to the monthlies. 45 days to expiration, which I'm surprised is not what they selected, because that's normal Tasty Trade mechanics. Okay, over here, and we've got 127 for open interest at the 385 and 309. So some better open interest, right? Should see some better liquidity. All right, same trade, 473, costs a little more. And let's check the risk profile. It's the date to October 16th and essentially 50-50. So still 50-50. That slices break even. Yep. Still 50-50 essentially. And you have better open interest. I myself prefer the better liquidity, allegedly better open interest. So I'm going to go with that one. If you're going to stick with Tasty Trade's trade, I'd love to compare notes to see which of ours performs better, either has higher profit or gets to the P50 first. Speaking of P50, real quick, the P50 for this trade, according to Tasty Trade, Tasty Works, I should say, if you go with the weeklies, is a 63% probability of making half of that profit. If you're doing the there goes. If you're doing the monthlies, it's also 63. So yeah, there you go. I'm going to right click this trade, choose confirm and send, review that we can make 527, lose 473 if Facebook continues to rally. If we see some downturn, we can take some profit. We're going to leave that in the margin account, hit send, and put a little high five to you guys. Big thumbs up. You made it this far into the video. I do appreciate all your views, especially when you watch to the end. Thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed yet, we'll be here for you when you do decide to hit that subscribe button. Until I see you in the next video, may the market be with you.